그쪽 전화번호 주면요. 우빈 씨는 뭐 좋아하세요?
써니쇼.
취미 뭐 그런 거요.
써니쇼.
아버지,
어때 아빠?
저에게는 좋은 어머니가 아니었지만 지상형 문학계만큼은 좋은 엄마가 되어주세요.
오빠 미쳤어?
오빠 미쳤죠?
이거 좀 따주세요 오빠.
오빠가 업어줘? 누나가 더 이뻐.
얘기해봐. 형이 들어줄게. 얘기해봐.
Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle J. 저는 코리안 엉클 J입니다. We have various platforms for communication. We are not only using the phone, but also using various social platforms. So, let's learn how to say these things in Korean. 전화 번호, 전화 번호. 전화번호 is phone number. Instagram, 인스타그램, 인스타그램. WhatsApp, 왓츠앱, 왓츠앱. 카카오톡, 카카오톡, 카카오톡. Most Koreans read English syllable by syllable in the Korean way. It may be difficult for you to understand now, but as we make and speak Korean sentences, you will understand naturally, right? That's good. Let's move on to the next one.
그쪽 전화번호 주면요.
As we can see in this video, this word phone number is 전화번호 in Korean. Phone numbers include cell phones and landlines. 전번. This is an abbreviation for 전화번호. This is a word that can be used between friends. 핸드폰 번호. 핸드폰 번호. The word 핸드폰 번호 is a combination of the noun 핸드폰 and 번호. The reason that cell phones are called 핸드폰 is that we can be held by hand. So, this word has been used a lot since the 1990s. If you come to Korea, you will hear this word at least once. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We will learn about hobbies in Korean. 취미, 취미, 취미. Hobbies are 취미. We have a variety of hobbies, so let's learn some hobbies in Korean. Shopping, shopping. Shopping is a real Korean word for 장보기 or 물건 사기. However, most Koreans began to use the word shopping a lot. It became a common case. 축구, 축구. In English, soccer and football have different meanings, but it is generally called 축구 in Korea. 한국 드라마를 봐요. 한국 드라마를 봐요. This is also kind of hobby. 봐요 has the meaning of watch or see. We will learn about the 아요 in Unit 9. BTS 음악을 들어요. BTS 음악을 들어요. 음악 is the music. 들어요 means to listen. We will learn about the 어요 in Unit 9. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one.
우빈 씨는 뭐 좋아하세요?
써니쇼.
뭐 취미 뭐 그런 거요.
써니쇼.
This word hobby is 취미 in Korean. Small words are 낙 and 관심사. 취미, this is what you do for fun, not for work. 낙, 관심사, this refers to the pleasure or enjoyment of living. Then, let's learn words related hobbies. This word drama is drama in Korean. This is a long word. There is no substitute for Korean. 한국 드라마를 봐요. 한국, this is a noun which means Korea. Drama, this is a noun. It's the same meaning. 를, this is an object marker. Whatever 을을 must be used for the object. 봐요, this is a predicate, meaning watch or see in English. You got it right? Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one. This word music is 음악 in Korean. A small word song is called 노래 in Korean. Most Koreans use these two a lot without distinguishing them. BTS 음악을 들어요. BTS, this is a noun and the name of Korean singer. 음악, this is a noun, it means music. 을, this is an object marker. One of 을을 must be used for the object. 들어요, this is a predicate, meaning listen in English. You got it right? Let's move on to the next one. We make plans, and when we get close to each other, we can even ask about each other's family relationships. Father, 아버지, dad, 아빠, mother, 어머니, mom, 엄마, or the sister, 누나, or 언니, or the brother, 형 or 오빠, younger sister, 동생 or 여동생. Okay, so let's look at them one by one.
어때 아빠?
These words father and dad, 아버지 and 아빠 in Korean. 아버지 is a word of honor and 아빠 is a word used in a situation where it doesn't have to be formal. 아버님 is used to say father-in-law, and it also refers to their father who went to heaven.
저에게는 좋은 어머니가 아니었지만 지상현 군에게만큼은 좋은 엄마가 되어주세요.
These words mother and mom 어머니 and 엄마 in Korean. 어머니 is a word of honor and 엄마 is a word used in a situation where it doesn't have to be formal. 어머님 is used to say mother-in-law, and it also refers to the mother who went to heaven. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
오빠 미쳤어?
이거 좀 따주세요, 오빠.
오빠가 업어줘? 누나가 더 이뻐.
얘기해봐. 형이 들어줄게. 얘기해봐.
This word older brother is oppa in Korean. This is used when a younger sister calls her brother. 형. This is used when a younger brother calls older brother. This word older sister is 언니 in Korean. This is used when a younger sister calls older sister. 누나. This is used when a younger brother calls older sister. 오빠 also has other meanings. First, it is used by a younger woman to call an older man. Second, it can also be used in a relationship with a lover or husband. But you have to call a position adverb. You got it? Okay, good. This is the end of the class. Next time, we will study sentences using the words we learned so far. Please look forward to it. Have a good day. 감사합니다. Thank you. 안녕히 계세요. Bye.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.